What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video we have some interesting news about Tesla. Most of y'all already probably know this news, and we're going to go over this news and talk about, is this really actually going to affect Tesla as a whole. Now before we get into the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And once again, I appreciate all the support everyone has been giving me lately. And if you haven't, go ahead and put your notifications on, because I will be making more videos dealing with Tesla and also videos in general. So let's get right into the news and let's talk about what happened. So on Saturday, which was yesterday, news came out that said Tesla will halt Model S and Model X production for 18 days. Now, initially, just reading this headline, you might think, wow, this is horrible for Tesla. Tesla's stock is going to tank. Well, if we actually read the article and look a little bit deeper, I don't think this is bearish news whatsoever. I don't think that Tesla is going to have a negative reaction on this news at all. The main reason, first of all, is it says workers will get a week's full pay for the shutdown. So the shutdown is happening from December 24th to January 11th. So 18 days, so a little past 2 weeks, right? Now, like I said, workers will get a full week's pay. If you think about it, if this was bearish news, if this was something where the company was, they were not performing well, then why would the workers get a whole full week's pay? So, in my idea, I think this is just basically a winter's break, right? This is just a break from making these cars. Now, it is true, maybe the Model S and Model X, they might be, not as popular as the Model 3 and Model Y. That could be true, but just because they're halting the production for a little over 2 weeks does not mean it's something you need to panic about, and it shouldn't cause the stock to, plummet. It just means that they're taking a break, and that, yes, the demand may be a little lower for the Model S and Model X because they are a little more expensive, but that does not take away from the fact that the Model 3 and Model Y are still doing amazing, right? The Model 3 and Model Y is more on the more affordable end for Tesla, and yes, the Model S and the Model X is a little more expensive, but I still think that this isn't bullish, this isn't bearish news whatsoever. In fact, I think Tesla is going to do amazing tomorrow. It says that Tesla delivered just 15,000 Model S and Model X units in their third quarter out of a total of 139,000 cars, right? So even if the Model S and Model X isn't, selling as well, we still have the Model 3 and Model Y that's picking up that slack. So even though they're stopping this production, I don't think that really means a lot. And like I said, the workers are still getting a full week's pay out of the 2 weeks that they're not working. So that's just like a holiday vacation for a lot of people, right? So I don't think that this is bearish news whatsoever. In fact, I still think that we're bullish on Tesla. Now, if you watch my previous video, I broke down Tesla. I went into depth on where I think Tesla is going. Now, if you haven't watched that video and this is the first video you're watching, I'll do a little quick rundown of what I talked about in that video so y'all can see where I'm going at. Now, on Friday and in other videos, I talked about that we needed to hold this pink line right here. This pink line is a support, meaning that each time that we hit this area, we typically bounce up. We did it here, here, and now here, and we also did it over here. So each time that we hit this level, we continue the uptrend. So we really need to continue to hold this level, but also on Monday, we need to break above this resistance, right? So if we don't break above this resistance, we're making lower highs. So this is the first high, this is the second high, and this is the third high. So notice how that we're making these lower highs. That is a bearish pattern. So that's why I was saying on Monday, we need to break above that, and we need to break above this little resistance right here. So if you're watching this video tonight or early morning, see what Tesla is doing, and then base your trade off of that. Now, I talked about in my other video, my stop loss is still at 594, okay? No matter what happens, and we go down to 594, I'm not going to stay in Tesla. I'm going to look for a better entry, see if we get another dip buy like we did here, re-enter, and then ride it back up. But for right now, I think we're still bullish going into the session Monday. But like I said, trades don't always have to play out, right? They can always turn the opposite way you want to. And that's why in every video I stress that y'all all have stop losses implemented, because that will save you from losing a lot of capital more than you have to. So I have my stop loss here. Now you can have a tighter stop loss than me. That just all depends on what position you are taking. Now, I'll put a screenshot in case y'all missed that video on, I think it was Friday, where I posted what position I'm in. So I'm in a call. I'll post it on the screen right now so y'all can just see what I'm in. Now, like I said on Monday, I think we're bullish, and the main thing is I'm going to be looking that we get above this resistance. I'll actually go ahead and put my alert here while we're on video together so you know that this is the area I'm looking at. We need to get above this, retest it, and I think we will hit all-time highs once again this week. Now, this was just a quick video to show y'all the news that's out on Tesla. Many of you have already probably read this article, and y'all probably thought it was bearish, but I don't think it is. I think we're going to be bullish, and I don't think this meant a whole lot. Anyways, guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.